Hi there. If you're watching this on YouTube, or you're wanting to watch any of my content on my channel, or both for that matter, I would strongly recommend hitting the subscribe button and comment and like on any videos if you may wish, because this is a general audience channel. Also, this video is not made for kids, it is for older fans and adults alike. So please sit back and enjoy the video.
Hello YouTubers and welcome to another Disney Pixar Cars diecast review. Today we're going to take a look at Constanzo Della Corsa, the green Maserati, who had recently won yesterday's poll, which now leaves Antonio Veloce Eccellente to record the next day. Before we dive right into the review, let's start with his retrospective first. Constanzo Della Corsa is a green Maserati Quadruple V four-door sedan who originates from Italy alongside his fellow Maserati, Antonio Veloce Eccellente. While his car finder bio states he's a 2006 model, despite that the first film took place in 2005, the Internet Movie Cars database states that he's a 2004 model, which kind of makes me a little confused. So I'm going to suggest that he's a 2004 Maserati Quadruple V four-door sedan. During his appearance in the first Cars film, Constanzo, alongside Antonio, were first seen entering the Los Angeles International Speedway for the tiebreaker race of the 2005 pistoncup season, when Fred was stopped by Marco Axelbender, who I don't have. Then later on in the film, they were seen alongside a Ferrari named Michael Schumacher entering Luigi's Casa della Tires in Radiator Springs, much to the joy and happiness of Luigi and Guido, seen in the actual Ferrari, Michael Schumacher, and causing them to hilariously faint, which was pretty hilarious. Was it hilarious? Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Then during the epilogue of Cars, the trio were later seen when the Doc Hudson Racing Museum was opened and the Wheel Well Motel was reopened as well. During his diecast releases, Constanzo Della Corsa was released a few times. 3 times as a single, one for the Final Lap collection, twice in the Toys R Us exclusive Radiator Springs Classic Series, and once in a 3-pack in a with lenticular eyes alongside Michael Schumacher and Antonio Veloce Eccellente. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the review. Here we got his metallic green exterior paintwork, no tampos everywhere, just the chrome silver gray grille, the Maserati logo, the headlights and the front bumper with the confused facial expression, the side view mirrors and the hood, no tampos all around. And on both sides we've got his 4 doors and his chrome silver gray rims on the black wall tires. And on the back side we have the red taillights and the exhaust pipes on the back bumper. License plate saying B9513. And on the undercarriage, it says Disney/Pixar, made in China, Maserati, which is copyrighted, Mattel. And now let's pull up some of the other Maserati. We have Carlo Maserati, and some more Italian cars. We have Mama Luigi, Uncle Topolino, and Francesco Bernoulli. Oh, and not to mention Luigi and Guido. Despite that, these two now reside in Radiator Springs. So what do you guys think? Which Italian car is your favorite? For me, mine's most of all Luigi and Guido. Let me know what you... And was the scene where Luigi and Guido fainted funny? Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for another review, which happens to be Antonio Veloce Eccellente, coming up next tomorrow. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye now!